How to deal with anxiety. Foods to manage anxiety. It is very important to have a healthy diet during the process of managing anxiety. One should include foods that are high in magnesium like spinach and almonds. Foods that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and walnuts, or foods that are high in vitamin B complex like beans, eggs, and mushrooms, can also help the body deal with anxiety better. These days, people have become more aware of what they eat and how it affects them psychologically. They often keep track of what they eat during stressful periods to see if any correlation exists between their moods changes and what they eat. 1. What is anxiety and why is it important to manage it? Anxiety is a mental health disorder that affects more than 17 million adults in the United States age 18 and above. Anxiety disorders are different from normal fears or worries, because they can interfere with daily life. People with anxiety disorders experience constant worry, nervousness, fearfulness, and dread for no apparent reason. They may also have physical symptoms like chest pain, nausea, dizziness, vomiting, difficulty breathing or swallowing. They often avoid situations where they might be judged or embarrassed, such as public speaking, also called social anxiety. These situations may help to create an endless cycle of worry and avoidance. Anxiety disorders are real medical illnesses that need appropriate treatment with medication and therapy to be managed well enough to allow someone to live a normal life. 2. How to identify symptoms of anxiety and what's causing it. Anxiety is a mental disorder that affects individuals of any age. It makes people terrified and anxious about everyday situations, including work, school, or social events. Anxiety can be caused by many things: heredity, biochemistry, negative life events, positive life events. 3. Foods that help you manage your anxiety. Anxiety is a common condition that can cause you to feel nervous, uneasy, restless and worried. If left untreated, it may cause problems with relationships, work performance and other aspects of your day-to-day life. There are foods that are shown to have an effect on anxiety levels. The best part is they are all healthy options that you can include in your diet every day. There's a lot of research being done on the types of food that are good for anxiety, and we'll be here to talk about these different studies so you can figure out the best foods for you. 4. How to deal with social anxiety disorder in different situations. Social anxiety disorder can be difficult to deal with. Sometimes, it may not even be a full-blown disorder. But for those who are living with it, can be debilitating and difficult to manage. Many people have different ways of dealing with social anxiety disorder. Some try to avoid situations where they know they will experience high levels of anxiety, like meeting new people or going to a party. Others may use medication to help them cope with the feeling of anxiety before the situation arises. Still others try cognitive behavioral therapy in order to change how they think about the situation and how much they fear it happening again. No matter what method you use, there is no right or wrong way of dealing with social anxiety disorder, as each person is different and has their own set of challenges that need their own individualized. 5. Tips for managing your stress levels so you can live healthily and happily. Managing stress levels is something that people often don't take seriously until they feel the symptoms. Stress is a sign that your body is telling you to change something in your life and take care of yourself. There are many ways to manage your stress levels, but some of them might not work for you. Identify what makes you stressed and what puts you at ease. Having a healthy and happy life is a decision that we make each day, and sometimes we need help from others to get there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.